Alright guys, so we've got the ASUS ROG Phone II in the office, and first thing I want to say is look at this packaging. I mean, it's super over the top, I feel, but hey, what do you expect from a gaming company, right? But anyway, looks like something out of Area 51, but let's get straight to the unboxing. So if you guys didn't know, it has a 6.59 inch display, FHD plus display, 120 Hz refresh rate, so pretty much it's pretty powerful, you know. It's got a 6000 milliamp hour battery, and I'm sure that's gonna last you. So let's check out that box. Looks pretty sick, man. Anyway, let's figure out how to open this alien looking thing. Oh, I really hope that's how you open it, man.
No.
No. Alright guys, we've got here the ASUS ROG Phone II, and this is the first time I'm unboxing it. I didn't do anything before this. But anyway, let's just get straight to it. Pretty cool box. Let's see. Oh, it comes with one of their attachments, it seems. Comes with, I think this is the, I'm not really quite sure. I think this is one of the fans. Let me just open it up. Yeah, it's the Aero Active Cooler. So it'll basically keep your phone cool while those intense gaming sessions. You know how it goes. Got the, whoa, dude! Honestly, this looks like, oh no, this looks like a sunglasses case, dude. Why is it so fancy? Okay. We'll get through the boring stuff first before we get to the phone itself. Looks like it comes with a case. Pretty cool case. I'm assuming it's made in this fashion and it's not a hard solid case because you want to put in the accessories, right? But check this out. It's got some cool little graphics. So looks like ASUS really went in on that, you know, making them uber aesthetic. Okay, comes with an adapter. Comes with a pretty nice woven USB-C cable. It looks like it's pretty long too. I guess they really thought of everything a gamer would actually need. So okay, let's get all this stuff out the way. Boring. Let's get to the phone itself. Okay. Now I gotta figure out how to open this. But okay, as you guys can see, it's pretty cool. And this is it, guys. Your first look at the ASUS ROG Phone II. Dude, this thing is a beast. 855 plus Snapdragon processor, 6000 milliamp hour battery, 6.59 inch FHD plus display, 120 Hz refresh rate, and all these. Honestly, the thing that's pretty cool about it is got all these kind of cool accessories. Let's start it up and see what's going on. Can we start it up? Oh, yes we can. Pretty legit. It's a little cool. Okay, look, it's got a fancy little ROG themed setup. But let's just do the setup real quick. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for the unboxing. I mean, looks pretty killer, honestly. I'm really liking these aesthetics. And anyway, stay tuned for our review of this bad boy coming up pretty soon. See you.